YouTube, welcome. Today, cookies and cream brownies. Little Debbie has done it again. Look at that. Now, it doesn't say new on the package anywhere, but I've never seen these in stores before. So, they're new to me. On the back here, these are called fudge rounds. They're probably the most delicious thing you will ever eat in your whole entire life. They are a mix between an oatmeal cream pie and a brownie, and they are delicious, and you will never buy oatmeal cream pies ever again. Fudge rounds. You gotta get the big ones, not the small ones though. They come in 2 packs. They come in a big pack and a normal size pack. You gotta get the big pack because the fudge rounds are this big instead of having one this big. Now, let's try these out. First things first. This is a heavy box. For how thin this box is, there's 12 brownies in here. This is a heavy box. I don't know how. Here, you feel that? That's heavy. That's 1 pound and 12 ounces. That's for just brownies. I mean, come on. Let's see here. Let's open this up. See what we got. Like I've said before, I've never seen these at the stores, but they intrigue me. Oh, okay. They're smaller package-wise than I expected. But I mean, there's 12 of them in here, so I don't know what I was expecting. Again, heavy box. That's a pretty dense brownie. The denseness of this brownie feels the same as like a protein bar, like a thick, like a dense protein bar. Of course, we got our milk, got our mug. Let's open this thing up. Again, it's a little smaller than I was expecting, but they are quite dense. I don't know how many times I'm going to say dense this video, but okay, it kind of smells like a cosmic brownie. And it also, oh, what is that? Dang it, I'm trying to. Yeah, there's another treat thing that smells almost identical. Very gooey. Not gooey, but soft. If you like cosmic brownies, you will love these. I do not like cosmic brownies, so I do not love this. Very dense. Very dense. Trying to describe what it is. It's a cosmic brownie. It's a cosmic brownie, guys, with cookies on top. That's all it is. COSMIC brownie. Yeah. Very, very, yeah, it's the same thing. They took a cosmic brownie, made the frosting, instead of chocolate, they made it white, And instead of little weird chocolate chip candy sprinkle things, they just put cookies and cream on top. That's all it is. Nothing special. Little disappointed. I'm gonna stick to my fudge rounds and my zingers. All right, guys. Leave in the comments what I should try next. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.